Hello everyone, now I will explain you about prismatic effect when frame is oversized. Oversized frame means frame pupillary distance is more than interpupillary distance of eyes. So oversized frame introduces prismatic effect and which causes most common symptom headache. See how to measure prismatic effect and its base direction when frame PD is more than IPD. This is our diagrammatic representation of oversized frame, right and lens, refractive powered glasses. IPD is less than frame PD, as we can see. In this example, IPD is equal to 60 millimeter. Frame PD, frame pupillary distance, is equal to 64 millimeter. Right eye lens power is equal to plus 5 diopter square. Left eye is equal to plus 5 diopter square. Now we want to calculate or we want to measure prismatic effect and its base direction. How we calculate? Now let's see. As we know, frame PD more than IPD, so difference is 64 minus 60 mm is equal to 4 millimeter. Four millimeter is total decentration, while 2 millimeter for each eye decentration. Now 2 millimeter is equal to 0.2 centimeter. 2 divided by 10 is equal to 0.2 centimeter decentration for each eye lens. As we see, frame PD more than IPD, so decentration is in outward direction, as we can see. So 0.2 centimeter decentration for each eye in outward direction. Now calculate prismatic effect. According to Prentice rule, prismatic effect is equal to decentration multiplied by with refractive power. 0.2 centimeter decentration multiplied with 5 diopter square. Prismatic effect is equal to 1 prism diopter base out. How we know it's base out? Because decentration is in outward direction. So prismatic effect is also in outward direction or in base out. As we know, its simple rule, base in same direction of decentration of plus lens, while in minus lens it is in opposite direction of decentration. In this example, we have plus lens, so it's base out decentration. Total prismatic effect is 2 prism diopter base out. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such videos, subscribe my YouTube channel Optometry World.